Welcome, dear friends of BMW. So glad you could be with us for this special moment today. The world premiere of our new BMW 7. The new 7 embodies everything BMW is about. State-of-the-art technology and revolutionary design. It's the most innovative, cutting-edge automobile in the luxury segment. And for the first time in the history of the 7, the top performance model will be fully electric. The 7 is about creating great impressions. Here's how it welcomes you. It's a great entrance moment that literally invites you.
And then we have made the space truly warm and inviting using natural materials such as cashmere wool and leather. Technology at their disposal. But following our new ShyTech approach, the number of switches has actually been reduced. This integrates the ambient light in the rear of the BMW iC. Human-centric, electric, and tech magic. Looking at the exterior,
to get in and drive. Of course, it also works with your smartphone. Now join me for a first ride. This is the BMW i7. More than 600 kilometers of electric range. But our new 7 Series will also convince those who are not yet fully into e-drive for whatever reason. It is the first all-electric luxury sedan to come as a plug-in hybrid or with highly efficient combustion engine as well. And soon, this car will offer Level 3 highly automated driving functions. So, you will even be able to take your hands off the steering wheel for a while. The 7 Series is one of the best cars to be driven in too. How does it feel? A bit like this, I would say. The rear of the 7 is a very special place. A place to feel comfortable. To me, taking a seat here is like taking a leap into the future every time. And speaking of impressive moments, one of my favorite highlights is hidden here, the BMW theater screen. But more on that later. Regarding technology, take my word for it, this car has everything a car can possibly have. And it's all sustainably manufactured, as you would expect from BMW. The BMW 7 is a masterpiece of German engineering and far ahead of its time. Great art moves the hearts and minds. The new 7 does even more. It moves bodies, hearts, and minds. You simply have to experience it for yourselves firsthand.